Downtown with F, well, upful vibes with Marcy Chin. Wagwama.
Oh, gone.
You good?
Yeah, man, I'm active.
3 words to describe your 2026 thus far.
Surprising.
Yeah.
Fruitful. Exciting.
We see that?
Yeah.
What's some of the things that's been actually quite surprising for you?
Just the fact that people have started rediscovering my music.
But my bounce from the left to the right in the party.
And we see a lot of traction going on musically for you right now. You know, you got the big song.
Bunks up here.
Bunks up.
Mickey bunks up.
Bunks up.
Yeah.
Some of them ever realize that you sing the song.
And
like
you know what? A lot of people say that because enough people think it's Spice. Big up Spice.
You have to be careful for not make the song bust bigger than your image, you know, like, as in,
You
like,
know
you have to make sure people know say you sing that song.
Yeah, that has been my thing. Like, my music always gone left me. So now I'm kind of playing catch up with that.
And I watch girl like a movie.
Let's rewind a little bit. Let's start with Bongso. Talk to you about Bongso. You know, it was actually quite a big hit. Was that actually your introduction to the business?
No, but it was my introduction to the international market for sure. It was one of those songs that I did while I was like temporarily doing a 9 to 5. Like I literally had my pocketbook on and I'm like, all right, mic ready. Like I come in and he's like, oh no, you gotta put 4 bars on this. Because D1, that's the other artist on the song, he had already done his part and he's like, yo, I want you on it. Find something for me now. I'm just find it. Bunks on the left, bunks on the right. And it was history.
Yeah, that song took off. You actually obviously made a name for yourself with that. You know what I mean? And then what happened after that?
I kept making music and Bunks Up kept going. So the song is getting big and who is this girl that's singing this song? Nobody knows. I swear. So it was like kind of frustrating for a long time, but it also opened doors for me in some way. I started making more music with Conley, the culprit. Big up yourself, Conley.
Formerly War 21, right?
Yes, from War 21.
From War 21.
But he goes by Conley, the culprit as a producer.
Okay.
You know? My brain just switched into full artist mode now. And I started doing things that would attract the attention of other people. I was noticed by Scatter, who said, you should come to Downtown. I was a bit hesitant at first, but I was like, what do I have to lose?
So, I mean, are you saying that? I mean, you're saying you're a bit hesitant. So talk to me about, you know, why would you be hesitant? You know, Downtown is widely recognized record labels in Jamaica. You know, everybody assume, I say, you know, you have a bag of money, can spend it on them career or whatever. So where would the hesitance come from?
Well, I knew that I was different from all the other artists that I've seen come to this camp. So I was like, how would I fit into this situation? I don't know. And then when I came here, I didn't regret it actually.
What has the experience been like?
It's been a bit challenging to an extent because, you know, I'm not the only artist in the camp, obviously. And like I said, I'm different. So the usual cookie cutter way of breaking an artist wouldn't work for me. I always knew that.
Yeah.
So I had to really switch from, oh, I need help mode to help yourself so you can get helped.
Yeah.
So that's kind of what it's been like for me.
And that approach has been working for you?
Yeah.
Yo, come and make a talk about it.
Have you been able to, like, you know, capitalize off of the wealth of experience around you?
Of course, Joe. Joe has a more world view on stuff, so, and that's how we connect. You know, obviously there would be a bit of a disconnect with the cultural stuff, but when it comes to like a more worldly thing, we understand each other, and he helps me to like stay there when I'm thinking about doing this thing, you know. You
know, speaking of the whole worldly thing, your music is very eclectic in the sound. You know, I mean, you have that raw sound in dancehall, something there, but it also have that international sound and eclectic thing as well too. Where does that come from?
I think it comes from my influences, the stuff that I like to listen to. I am an original dancehall girl. Like, I love that sound. So I feel like to expand on that, I should bring my own Marciness rather than to try to fit into what's going on. I feel like I need to add to that. B-I-N-G-O. Skin smooth like jingo. Me dog know him bingo. Me phone him a ring dong. B-I-N-G-O.
You have a new single out right now. That's doing very well.
It's called Budum Budum. That's doing pretty well.
That's the one with the sample of the General Degree, right?
Yes. He did that song and he was like, I need a female on it. Ain't no say it should be Marcy. That's what I heard anyway. So
that's
like,
the story.
Yeah, I'm sticking to it. I listened to it. And I think maybe he had delivered the message from a longer time, so he was like kind of worried. Like, I don't know if he was worried, but he was like concerned. He was like, is she gonna? And he's like, no, she's gonna do it. Trust me.
Yeah.
And then I met up with Conley and I heard it. I'm like, oh, cool, this is fun. And knock it out within that day.
Wicked. And you have another one as well too. Tell me about the other song.
The Windmere,
yeah.
Okay, so that song has been out since like 2024 and it did get some traction. Like a couple days ago, I just posted a random footage of me just singing it in the UK, like right by the train station. And the thing just went viral on both apps. And I'm like, whoa. A lot of people were like, yo, and I'm getting all these followers. And I'm like, wait a second. You guys didn't know this song existed? So many people in the comments are saying, wait, what is this? You know, and I'm like, that's interesting.
So it's taking on
a new life.
A new life again. That's the one. So what's next for you? All of these projects, you have these singles, you have all these things. Is it building up to a bigger project or what's the goal right now?
Well, yeah, the goal is to come with a body of work, but I'm still in that place where I feel like more people need to know me and anticipate this body of work.
Good money habit.
Everything in process now, the singles are out, the song them a bubble, Sumfest is on the way. You know what I mean? Lastly now, Marcy, what most makes Marcy Chin intense?
My mind. I've got a crazy mind.
We can hear it, your music.
I have a yeah.
Chin City Life, and that's a going right now. Look out for her.